Meaning of double date.
Double date.
Double date.
Double date.
Double date. A double date refers to a social outing where two couples go out together. It is a popular way to spend time with friends while also getting to know a potential romantic partner. Double dating can be a fun and relaxed way to ease into a new relationship while enjoying the company of close friends. The result of a successful double date may include increased comfort and connection between the two couples, as well as potentially sparking a new romance or deepening an existing one.